Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Arsyal from Class Management 23C with NPM 234111034. Probability and Statistics. Introduction. Probability and statistics are fundamental tools used in various fields to analyze data, make predictions, and understand uncertainty. This presentation provides an introduction to the concept and application of probability and statistics, covering key topics like probability, distribution, sampling, estimation, and hypothesis testing. What is probability? Probability is the branch of mathematics concerned with the study of random phenomena. It quantifies the likelihood of an event occurring. Probability is expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. Probability is essential for understanding and predict random events, from coin flip to complex phenomena like weather patterns. 1. Key concept. Probability measures the likelihood of an event occurring. Event can be simple, like a coin flip, or complex, like a stock market crash. Type of probability. There are various types of probability: theoretical, experimental, and subjective. Each type has its unique characteristic and application. 3. Application. Probability is used in various fields, include finance, medicine, insurance, gambling, and science, for making informed decisions based on uncertainty. Type of probability: theoretical, experimental, and subjective. Theoretical probability, based on logical reasoning and mathematical principles. It assumes all outcomes are equally likely and uses formulas to calculate the probability. For example, the theoretical probability of getting heads when flipping a fire coin is 1/2. Experimental probability, based on empirical observation and the frequency of events occurring in experiment. It is calculated by dividing of the number of probable outcomes by the total number of trials. For example, if a coin is flipped 100 times and lands on heads 52 times, an experimental probability of head is 0.52. Subjective probability, based on personal belief, opinions, and experience. It is used when there is no clear mathematical or experimental basis for determining the probability. For example, the subjective probability of a particular stock going up in value is based on an individual assessment of market conditions, company performance, and other factors. Probability distribution function. A probability distribution function is a mathematical function that describes the probability of a random variable taking on a specific value. It's a graphical representation of the possible outcome of a random event and their corresponding probability. Probability distribution functions are essential for understanding and analyzing random variables and their behavior. Discrete distribution. A discrete distribution deals with a finite number of possible outcomes, such as the number of heads when flipping a coin, or the number of cards facing a curtain point in a house. Continuous distribution. A continuous distribution deals with an infinite number of possible outcomes, such as the height of a person or the temperature of a room. The probability of any specific value is zero, but the probability of a value falling within a certain range is non-zero. Normal distribution and property. The normal distribution is one of the most important and widely used probability distribution in statistics. It is a continuous distribution that is symmetrical, bell-shaped, and characterized by its mean and standard deviation. The normal distribution is found in many natural phenomena, such as human height, blood pressure, and test scores. Property. Symmetry. Description. The normal distribution is symmetrical around its mean, meaning that the probability of a value being above the mean is equal to the probability of it being below the mean. Property. Bell-shaped. Description. The distribution has a characteristic bell shape with the highest probability occurring at the mean and gradually decreasing as you move further away from the mean. Property. Mean and standard deviation. Description. The normal distribution is defined by mean and standard deviation. The mean represents the center of distribution, while the standard deviation measures the spread of data. Sampling and sampling distribution. Sampling is a process selecting a subset of individuals from a large population to study. Sampling distribution are the distribution of sample statistics, such as the sample mean or sample proportion, calculated from repeated sample taken from the same population. One population. The entire group of individual or object of interest. Two samples. A subject of individual select from the population. 3. Sampling distribution. The distribution of sample statistics calculated from repeated sample. Point estimation and interval estimation. In statistics, we use estimate to infer population parameters from sample data. Point estimation provides a single value to estimate a population parameter, while interval estimation provides a range of values that is likely to contain the true population parameter. Point estimation. A single value used to estimate a population parameter. Examples include the sample mean as an estimate of the population mean, and the sample proportion as an estimate of the population proportion. Interval estimation, a range of value that is likely to contain the true population parameter. Confidence interval are a common type of interval estimate, representing a range of value with which the true population parameter is likely to lie with a certain level of confidence. Hypothesis testing, concept and principle. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to test claims about population parameter. It involves formulating a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. Based on simple data, we determine where there is no evidence to reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis. Correlation and regression analysis. Correlation and regression analysis are statistical techniques used to study the relationship between two or more variables. Correlation measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between variables, while regression analysis estimates relationship between variables and predict the value of one variable based on the value of another. One correlation to measure the strength and direction of a linear relationship between variables. 2. Regression analysis estimate the relationship between variables and predict the value of one variable based on the value of another. 3. Application. Correlation and regression analysis are widely used in various fields, such as finance, marketing, healthcare, and social science, to study relationship between variables, make predictions, and understand trends.